Okay, here are these FPV goggles, Skyzone, and let's see how to show that bar on the top of the LCD screen all the time, because otherwise you have to press two buttons always to record the video, one and one. Okay, so everything is done only when that bar is shown. So currently, as you can see, there is no bar on the top of the screen. Okay, to access the menu we have to long press the track button. Long press it. There's the menu. Now short press it again, the same track button, to go to the last tab, that one. Okay, and now use the down button, that one, to go down in the menu. And you have OSD timeout, on-screen display timeout, currently set to 3 seconds. Okay, now enter that one using the record button. Record, and it will turn to orange. Okay, and now use the up and down buttons to modify it. I pressed down and it's on off. You have 3 seconds, 5, 10, 15, 30, 40, and so on, 60. Okay, so I will set it to off, and thus the bar will be always shown. Okay, exit from there with the photo button. Photo again to exit the menu also. And now that bar is always visible. Okay, now if I press the record button, I have to press it only once and the video will be recorded. The upper right corner is red. Now I press the same record button once and the video recording was stopped. Same with the photo. I pressed the photo button only once and it was captured, and that's it. So access the menu and turn off that on-screen display timeout.